Hi, this is Topper Chef. Welcome back to our Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make Chana Masala. Okay, so for this Chana Masala, we're going to add at least 6 tablespoons of oil. It's about 1 pound of chana, and that's what we're going to do. Let this heat up real good. So this recipe of my Chana Masala, basically I could have taken garbanzo beans from cans or whatever, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it fresh. I've soaked my chanas for about a day. This is about 1.5. About 2 onions, which I'm going to put in this thing. So you want to add a lot of onions because that gives up the depthness, the gravy, or actually the complete sauce of this whole preparation. Okay, to this I'm going to add my cumin, ginger. As you can see, I've chopped ginger and garlic, and my chili. So let's saute this for some time, and what's going to happen is I'm going to put this, make it a nice curry paste like this right here in this pan with some tomatoes, and then with the spices and everything, and then I'm gonna add the peas into it, the chana which has been soaked, and then we're going to transfer it into a cooker for about 3-4 whistles. Now everybody told me to boil the thing separately, but this is how I've been doing it for a long time, so I don't add any soda or anything like that because I'm against all preservatives while cooking and consuming in any way or shape or form. So let this brown a little bit for about 2 minutes. Okay, to this I'm going to add all my masala, which is the Chana Masala. I'm using Shan masala because I don't want to go about by putting tamarind powder and mango powder and everything. So this is a good substitute for it real fast. And let this blend into this thing. As you can see, you can get this aroma of garam masala and everything in this. Now if you want to make it spicier, you can add more red or make it more with turmeric or anything else. So right here. So to this I'm going to add now 1 teaspoon of paste, and some blanched tomatoes. Now I blanched these tomatoes and so that you don't see no skin into it. Okay, there we go. Saute this well. To this I'm going to add some water. Let all the spices cook. Oh, smelling so good. Okay, let it fry it a little bit. To this we're going to add more water. I want to cook all the spices in this thing. And add more water and then add the peas and then transfer it in the cooker. Okay, as you can see, the gravy is thickened enough and we're still gonna cook this on pressure, so it's gonna become like pulp. And at the water, the oil is leaving from the onions. This is the nice time to just shut this off. And then I'm gonna transfer all this stuff, this goodness, all this richness into my cooker for about 3 whistles. Okay, so this is my soaked chana. This is 1 pound of it. And if somebody wants to may have more gravy, they can add more onion to it and more spices, but this will be just right. So we're gonna add water to this thing and that masala to this and then steam it. Okay, so now this I'm gonna shut and let it cook at least on my this. It's not about whistle or anything like that, so this one will cook at least for 10 minutes once it starts steaming. Okay, so now we open this after 4 whistles or about 15 minutes of steaming, and it really looks good, okay? I mean, I'm not just saying this for the sake of saying. And it really looks good. So all I'm gonna do is just add some cilantro to it. It's all ready and everything. Add some cilantro to it to give that nice cilantro flavor. And the peas and everything have really not mashed up, but really cooked well. So we didn't add any soda or anything to it to soften the peas up. Okay, so now we open this after 4 whistles or about 15 minutes on steam. So everything's cooked perfectly. We opened it and I'm gonna add some cilantro to it. And it smells really good. The garbanzo beans and everything has been cooked. The chana has been cooked well. So if you, voila, so this is ready. Here's our chana masala. Okay guys, Dr. Chef here, we're gonna taste our chana masala. Oh my God, it's really amazing. It's got the right amount of salt, the right amount of spices, and it's a great recipe, I think. So if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up, and on our YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!